Welcome to this episode of our Cool Facts video series. Here, we'll bring you some interesting and lesser-known facts that will broaden your knowledge. Without further ado, let's get into it. A snail's teeth are located on its tongue, rather than inside its mouth. When snails feed, they use their tongue to pull food into their mouth and then grind it up using the small teeth on their tongue. These teeth are typically needle or cone-shaped, with strong adaptability and durability, allowing the snail to more efficiently process food while feeding. Giraffes can drink over a gallon of water at once. Giraffes can drink over a gallon of water at once, which is about 4 liters. Giraffes are able to quickly consume large amounts of water in a short period of time due to the unique physiological structure. Their throat and esophagus are of similar length, along with large pharyngeal muscles and a soft palate, allowing them to intake a large amount of water at once without choking. Cats can produce over 100 different sounds, while dogs can only produce around 10. Cats and dogs both use vocalizations to communicate with humans and other animals. Cats are capable of producing over 100 different types of sounds, such as purring, growling, hissing, and meowing, which are produced by changing the shape and size of different parts of their throat, mouth, and nasal cavity. In contrast, dogs can only produce a few basic sounds, such as barking, howling, and growling. This is because cats have a more complex throat structure, allowing them to create more tones and intonations, while dogs have a relatively simple throat structure, allowing them to produce only a few types of sounds. Dolphins can communicate using ultrasound, and they don't have a concept of sound in their minds. Dolphins use ultrasound to communicate with each other, which is a high-frequency sound wave that is beyond the range of human hearing. Dolphins send and receive these ultrasound signals through the sound wave sensor on their heads in water, in order to communicate and navigate with other dolphins. Meanwhile, because they live in water, the properties of the medium are very different from air. So the way sound waves propagate in water is also different from that in air, and dolphins need to adapt to this environment. In addition, studies have shown that dolphins' brains do not have the concept of sound, and they use a visual-like way to identify and distinguish different ultrasound signals. This allows dolphins to communicate and navigate freely in the water, without being affected by sound propagation and the aquatic environment. Jellyfish is composed of around 95% water. Jellyfish is a unique creature that is mostly made up of water, about 95% of their volume is composed of water. However, they also have a complete nervous system that enables them to sense and respond to external stimuli. The nervous system of a jellyfish is distributed throughout its body, including its tentacles and the top portion of the body known as the float, allowing them to control their movement and behavior. Thank you very much for watching this episode of Cool Facts. We hope that through these interesting facts, you can better understand the world around us. See you in the next video.